What's up guys? Welcome back to another Swift 3 tutorial. Today we are going to learn about loops in Swift 3. So open up Xcode 8, get started with a playground. My playground, you can name whatever you guys want, hit next, create, and it should open right now. You guys can delete this, the first line. So, loops in Swift 3, basically you just want to make something run over and over and over again. So to create a loop, we're gonna create a variable called I, or we can name our variable whatever we want. But in this case, I'm just using the basic one, which we can call I. So first we are gonna start with a for loop, and we are gonna assign numbers from 0 to 10. But in this loop, we are gonna go until 9. I'll show you guys right now. So to do a for loop, so we use the word for, and we use a variable, and I said I, right? I for iteration. And we want to say in, we have a variable in, and we want to start with 0, right? And then dot dot, and then the less operator, the less sign operator, and then 0 is less than 10. Open curly brackets, close curly brackets, and we want to print our variable. That's all. What I said, it is printing from 0 to 9, right? We don't count the last number, which is 10. It goes looping from 0 to 9. We don't count 10. But it will never reach the number 10. Let's say you guys have an array of things that you want to go over by each specific items, right? And print it off. So here's an example how to use it. So you declare, let's say we say number, and we use an integer, and we want to equal, we can input any number we want. So we can say 4, 8, 9, 57, right? And then we use the for loop. We say var x and number. This is a different way how to use a for loop. And then we open curly brackets, close curly brackets, we hit print, and we say x. So this will print out 4 times. That's a different way of using for loop. So let's comment this out. Next, we gotta use a while loop. To use while loop, we are gonna declare it. We say var, we want to count numbers. So we say var count int equals 0, and we say while. We use the while condition, while loop. So we say while count is less than 10, and then inside of our while loop, we want to say print, and we say count. So okay, as you see, when he executed, the while loop is keep on going. Over here, we can say count. It's probably from the loop. I will resume to the tutorial when the looping stops. So I think you guys got that uh, error that it was keep on going and your program or your Xcode has been froze, right? Don't worry, it's because the loop. Why the loop is doing it is because the count is zero. The count is zero, and it's always less than 10. Every time a while loop occurs, right? We need to write count. We can write something like this: count plus equals 1. Now, not count plus plus or count minus minus. Finally, see, it just prints out 10 times, but it doesn't go until 10. It goes up to 9. So, as long as you guys see this, prints out 0 to 9, right? There's no crash, there's no nothing. That is all, folks. I hope you guys understand the looping in Swift 3. If you guys have any problems or any questions, just leave a comment below and I will kindly answer to it. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on to the next video.